We're talking about habits today, creatives. We all have bad habits, especially if we are creative people. Usually it's about telling ourselves we can't do it, or we're not good enough, or hating on our work, or making something, staring at it and going, oh, this is terrible. I can't believe I made this thing. The thing that sucks about bad habits is that you can't just get rid of them. You actually have to replace them with something else. There's an old expression, you can't stop the birds from flying over your roof, but you can stop them from building a nest. When you have these negative thoughts, you can't stop the initial flow of them. That's just instinctive. It's, knee-jerk reaction, but you can choose what to do with them. You can choose not to give them safe harbor. You can choose not to feed them. You can choose not to believe them. You cannot choose not to feel them, but that will happen in time if you fight them. So what do you do when you have these negative thoughts about your art and yourself? What I just drew wasn't what I wanted to draw. That's okay. I will get better in time, and it's not the worst thing in the world. What I just wrote is not helping me. It's not good. The characters weren't right. The dialogue sucked, whatever. But I will get better. The more I work at this, the better I will get, and eventually I will have that novel that I want. And of course, it's not a switch you're going to flip. It's not automatic. It's not 100% done in 2 seconds. That's not how this works. It took you years to get where you are, and it's going to take a while to get out of it. But you can learn to fight them. Your negative feelings about your art are not the truth. You can do this. Do not give up. Keep creating, and you will improve. And these negative thought patterns, you don't have to feed them anymore. Sit down with me now, and let's make something new.